Hi, today I will teach you how to use education.microsoft.com, which is the education community for Microsoft. So you first want to go to education.microsoft.com. In here you want to sign up. So you click on sign in, Microsoft, or if you have a 365 account. So click on Microsoft. In here, no account, create one. And you create an account. It's a pretty simple process. You can put your Gmail account. After you're signed in, go to Skype in the classroom. You'll be able to see two interesting things. One, connect with experts, where you can have virtual field trips, Skype lessons, or guest speakers. And connect with classrooms, Mystery Skype, and Skype collaborations. If you go to Mystery Skype, you'll be able to see teachers around the world who are interested in making contact and having a Skype session with you. Mystery Skype would be to play a game where you ask each other yes-no questions about your location. The first one to find out where the other class is from is the winner. So you can click on map. Now, let's say you want to talk to a teacher in Greece. So you click on, let's say, this smiley, and you'll be able to see this teacher or this smiley. Click on more. Here you can see the times that specific teacher is available. So you can send her a request. Request to Mystery Skype. And then you can see all the times and dates that she's available. Look at your schedule, see when it's best. Let's say this date, or maybe this date, and the time. And here you can write your request. Hello, my name is Healy. I am from so-and-so, and send your request. You will get an email when that teacher approves or declines your request. Another thing you can do here in Skype in the classroom is go on a virtual field trip. Connect with experts, virtual field trip. Here you can see many different places around the world who offer Skype virtual field trips. So you have the virtual field trips in interesting places like zoos, parks. You get to see animals, aquariums, and you can just have your class, like you see here in this picture, have a virtual field trip in a different, in an interesting place around the world that is not in their country. So you click on the one that you want and that you're interested in. You see the objectives, the learning objectives, and you can request a field trip. You can see the availability once you click on it. And again, you can look at the times that they're available and send your request. Another thing I like is guest speakers. You get to talk to authors, journalists, people with interesting stories. For example, Yana Marul. Yana Marul is a journalist, author, and illustrator of children's book about nature, wildlife, and the environment. So you can send her a request, ask for a guest speaking session. Same thing, you go down. You need to click on content first, and then you'll be able to see the sessions that this specific speaker is offering. Click on the session that you like, scroll down, and request this Skype lesson. And here you can write your message. Usually guest speakers are more flexible, so there are no times to look and to check. Connect with classrooms. If you go to Skype collaborations, you'll be able to see different lessons and different collaborations teachers want to make. You can read about them, and see if there's anything that is interesting to you. For example, sharing different cultures. You can see the learning objective, the activity description, the category, and you can request this collaboration and collaborate with the class. Those are the main things I like doing with Skype. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and do it in your classroom. Good luck!